Hello there. Well, another attempt at a chain pull. Isn't that a surprise? This time I'm just going to do patterns on the canvas. I've already put my thin layer of titanium white paint down, and the colours I'm going to be using today are silver, dark blue, turquoise and cerulean blue, and I'm just going to put them into shapes on the canvas and then pull my pieces of chain through them. Okay, that's enough playing around with that design. I like it. I think it's quite different and the colours are really good. I still can't get over the fact that I've got a few cells. There is absolutely no silicone in it, and my pouring medium of choice of course is the PVA glue, which I mix with my paint and then add water to thin it down. So now I'm going to bring the picture up to the light to show you. The silver is just beautiful. I love working with the silver because even on its own, the colour of the silver actually variegates. So it's like a two-tone colour. I know there's white underneath that, but I have found that even when I have used the silver on the silver, it gives that sort of metallic effect. And then we've got the different colours and how they've gone through by changing them out on each segment, and I am so pleased with the way that that has come out, and I will definitely be continuing, of course, doing these chain pulls because I am enjoying the versatility of them. What I can do or make, it doesn't have to be flower patterns or butterflies, although I do want to try a butterfly at some stage. I just don't feel quite confident enough yet. And that's it for me for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.